Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to share with you it is about grade 1 maths worksheet. It is about part 2. About part 1 I have already shared it in my earlier videos. You can find the link in my description box. So today I'm going to share this worksheet. So I'm going to solve this worksheet. You can go through this worksheet, and if you find this worksheet helpful, then please give a like to this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it for more upcoming videos. Now let's start the worksheet. First one is fill in the blanks. So here just you can give randomly any question, like here I have given 1 plus 1. So the answer is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 it's 4. Next question is 6 plus dash equal to 7. So what will be the answer here? So how to find out here? So you have to minus it. 7 minus 6. How you can find it out? 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6, answer is 1. So if you put 1 here, the answer is 7. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Next one, 4 plus dash equal to 5. Here also we have to do in the same process. So 5 minus 4. If we minus it like this, it's 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So what we have to do? We have to write here 1. So now if we add it, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So like this is all about fill in the blanks. Next question is write the before number. So here simply children you need to write before number. So 78, so how to write 78? It's tens and this side is ones. So tens side is 7, just put right here 7, and 8, one side ones is 8. So what is the before number of 8? You have to count it till number 8, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 before number is 7. So the answer is 77. Next question is 15. So what is the before number of 15? Just write here 1. Tens side you write 1. Then what is the before number of 5? It's 4. So 14. Next one is 82. So the before number of 82 is 81. So like this you need to complete about before numbers. Next one is what comes after. After number is very easy. 50, it's 51. 45, 46, 15, 16. So like this you have to complete it about after numbers. Next one, what comes in between numbers you have to write here. 85, so after 85 it's 86. 85, 86, 87. 91, so after 91 it's 92. 15, so what comes after 15? 16. 15, 16, 17. So like this you have to fill about between numbers. Next question is complete the table. So what is the question? 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens means 20. 4 ones means 4. 2 into 10 it's 20, and 4 into 1 means 4. So the answer is 24. So here you have to write here in words 24. Next one is 4 tens. So 4 tens means 40, and 2 ones means 2. 4 tens means 4 into 10, 40, and 2 ones means 2 into 1, 2. So 40 plus 2, it's 42. So here also you have to write here 42 in words. Like this, the rest of the question. 5 tens means 50 and 9 ones means 9. 59. So 59. So here we have to write here in words 59. Like this, you have to complete rest of them. Next question is, what number comes just after 39? So after 39, it's number 40. What number comes just before 30? So which number comes before 30? It's 29. So like this, you can give some other number too. Which is greater, 37 or 43? So the answer is 43. What numbers come between 34 and 36? It is 34, then 35. So 35 is the answer here. Next one is count and write. So here also like that we have to write 9 tens plus 5 ones. 9 tens means 90. 9 into 10, 90 plus 5 ones. 5 into 1, 5. So the answer here is 90 plus 5. It's 95. And here we have to write here in words 95. Next one, 5 tens plus 4 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 4 ones means 4. So 50 plus 4, answer is 54. And here also we have to write here in words 54. So like this we have to write here. Next one is regroup and add. So regroup and add means here we have to add, and it is about carry forward. Like 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 it's 10. So put a 0 here and carry forward 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Answer is 40. So here 8 plus 2, 10. Now put a 0 here and take this one, carry forward here. So 3 plus 1 it's 4 plus 2 it's 6. Like this, regroup and add means carry forward. We have to carry forward here. Next question is subtract here. So subtract means simple subtraction we have to do here. So first we have to do ones, then we have to do tens. So 4 minus 3. You can draw any balls or anything or any line. 4 minus 3 means you just cut 3 balls. So 1 here, like here, 2 balls this side and minus 1. So the answer is 11. So 3 minus 0 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Like this you have to subtract here. Next question is write the number as shown on the abacus. So here I have drawn some abacus and you have to count and you have to write here accordingly to tens and ones. Like this side is one side and this side is tens side. So in one side how many balls we are having here? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. And in tens side how many balls we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So the answer is 64. You can write here 6 and here you can write here 4. Next one is in one side how many balls we are having? 1, 2. Write here 2. And in tens side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. So the answer is 52. So this is all about worksheet for grade 1, or you can say for the class 1. It is about part 2. So about part 2 already I have shared it before in my channel. You can go through that video. I have already shared it in my description box. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a like to this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.